Hello, today is the 3rd of August and we continue our trip around Lviv region. At the moment, we are on the fields of agricultural holding Zapadnyy Bug. This agricultural holding serves 37,000 hectares of land and specializes in the cultivation of sugar beet and grain crops. Now you can see the cleaning of the grain crops, and immediately after this, horse joker 12RT comes out to tillage the soil. The goal of our arrival is to install 2 discs of combined production on this unit, so that the specialists of this agricultural holding can test the durability of our discs and compare them with the discs of production they use. These discs are made of boron steel and have a hardness rating from 48 to 52 on the Rockwell scale. So let's summarize. 2 new discs have been installed and you can see them. They are placed where there is the greatest resistance and they can be tested in the most intensive mode. All other discs have already worked for 2 years. They are actually worn out, so next year will all be changed, and this is the factor that says that our discs will work in the difficult conditions, because they are double loaded, as well as the fact that the other discs are already erased and the main load will go to our discs. In addition, the fact that they are located right behind the tractor and follow the trail of our tractor, as well as the fact that the other discs are already erased and the main load will go to our discs. We can also see that behind our disc that we installed is a new disc that had been installed before going out into the field. This is, and with it we can make a comparison at the end of the season with our discs. We agree that we will come to Andriy at the end of October to sum up the results together. We have different soils, such as light, medium and heavy looms, carbonates and also sands. It worked at the depths from 8 to 10 centimeters. Cultivation on these discs is 1,800 hectares after their replacement. 500. A little bit more than 500 millimeters. In addition, immediately measure the disc.
Okay.
500 millimeters at the end of treatment in 1,800 hectares of land. And the second disc combined, it also has diameter of 500 millimeters. Once again, I would like to emphasize that these discs are installed along the tractor, and the other discs, besides these 3, which we just shown, have much more wear, so the load on these 3 discs was double. In fact, we are now talking about preliminary or intermediate results, because 1,800 hectares, it is not enough to make a conclusion regarding durability. Nevertheless, we see the result of working of two discs, combined disc and original production discs. Next year, following the results of field work, we will come to record the result.